Hi Taurus, how are you guys doing? Well, if you want to do one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you wish to have Vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, guys. So this time I'm going to do a different reading. Okay, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Sorry, I am having a bad throat right now. Okay, and I cannot do anything for the same. Okay, so yeah, let's see in your career life. Okay. Oh, your energies are scattered. Okay. Career life and relationship. Relationship. Yes. Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, there's a new opportunity from 1st of July to 10th of July, okay? The first 10 days, okay? Related to your career, a new opportunity is coming your way, okay? It will be very slow. It might, if I'm saying in the first 10 days, so it might take a full July month, okay? The opportunity is coming to you, but very slow. In a very slow pace, it's coming, okay? So yeah, if you get an opportunity related to money, career related to stuff, if you get an offer related to big sum of money, grab that opportunity, do not lose it. But that opportunity will be coming very slow, okay? So yeah, the second 10 days from 20 let's say from 11th of July to 20th of July, you will be concerned about money, how to double your income, how to double your money, how to earn from passive income, how to earn from multiple sources, okay? So you'll be concerned about doubling the money, okay? You won't be you will be taking action. You will not be overthinking much into that, but you will be taking action in those days from 11th to 20th of July, okay? That yeah, you need to double your income. Now you need to take an action. Now you need to proceed further. That will be your energy, okay? The third week, the third 10 days, let's say from 21st of July to 30th of July, you are going through some major spiritual awakening in your financial life as well. You know, it can be the personal or career life, but yeah, you will be very disappointed related to certain people in your career life or into your job, into your business, okay? And you would like to stay away from disappointments, problems, issues, politics, sneaky energies, negative people, fights, problems, okay? So be careful in the third week, like the third 10 days of the month of July, from between 21st of July to 30th of July, because there might be few arguments happening, or you might be willing to stay away from fights, problems, issues, tensions, complications, okay? So yeah, in the month of July, when it comes to your relationship, you will be concerned about building up your relationship, you know, either with yourself, self love, self care, or you will be understanding yourself a lot, or else you will be, loving your parents, your family members, or your daughter or your son. It can be anyone, okay? So you will be, building up a relationship either with yourself or the people around you in the first 10 days of July, okay? And you will be very unstuck. You will be gaining a clarity. Whatever confusion you had in the past, you are removing that, and you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation, okay? Something is ending, your relationship, your old pattern of living, your karma. If you were dealing with any karmic relationships, that is going to come to an end between 21st of July to like between 11th of July to 30th of July, something is coming to an end. A major karmic cycle is coming to an end. Endings are on the horizon for you. You are transforming. Same pattern of living might be ending, karmic relationship might be ending, financial blockages might be ending, anything which was karmic to you, which was related to your past life karmas, those things are coming to an end completely between 20 between 11th of July to 30th of July. You are going to gain a karmic justice from the universe between those 20 days. Okay, definitely endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. So suppose if I'm telling you that ending is going to take place in the month of July, that means new beginnings are on the horizon for you in the month of August, Taurus, which is way too good. Karmic endings are coming. Something major, something bad is coming to an end related to your personal life, and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. New life might be starting in the month of August. New journey, new situations, new lifestyle, something new is starting, something worst is ending, a worst phase, a worst ending, a worst situationship is coming to an end in the month of July. Okay, and new beginnings are on the horizon in the month of August. Okay, so that is really cool. Okay, I'm telling you that karmic justice is about to happen with you, which is way too good. Like it's like impossible thing, but it happens very nicely. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let's see what is your life purpose. What is your life purpose? What is your life purpose? What are you supposed to do in the month of July 2021? You need to ask your questions. There are certain questions which you are seeking the answers for. The answers are within you. Do meditation, do something related to silent meditation, sleeping meditation, therapies, Reiki therapy, healing within yourself, because answers are within you. You are questioning yourself a lot nowadays, so the answers are within you, not the outside of you. Okay, there might be, you might think about starting a new career, new life, new change into your career life, starting a category in your business or job, or starting a new career in life, or thinking to change the path of your career. Okay, in the month of July. Okay, yeah, you are going to make a certain decisions which you wanted to do for so long. Okay, you might get involved into therapy, energy healing, physical therapy, exercising and training. You might become a fitness freak. Okay, so yeah, in the month of July, yes, you are free to do whatever you choose to do. Okay, a major freedom is on the horizon for you. Okay, definitely 100%. A major freedom is on the horizon for you. Okay, Taurus, and I hope this will make your, whatever is ending, a new beginning is starting in the month of August for you. July will be the month of transformation, endings, changes, answering within yourself, getting answers, decision making. Okay, so yes, and July will be the month related to that, but August will be the month new for new beginning, new life